Evergreen. Candid. New trends in social science. For Class 8.
Natural vegetation and wildlife. Natural vegetation. Natural vegetation consists of plants which grow naturally without the help of human beings. Due to a variety of climates, soil and altitude, a wide range of natural vegetation grows on the earth and form jungles and forests.
Lesson 4. Colonization and Tribal Societies. Tribal Societies. India has the largest population of the tribal people, known as the Adivasis, in the world. Some of the major tribal groups in India include Gonds, Santhals, Khasis, Angmis, Bhils, Bhutias, and Great Andamanis. All these tribal people have their own culture, tradition, language, and lifestyle.
Functions and authority of tribal chiefs. With the arrival of the British, their traditional powers of the tribal chiefs were snatched away. They were required to follow the British laws and pay tribute to the British.
Lesson 3. The Judiciary in India. The judiciary is the branch of government which interprets the constitution and applies the law. We need judiciary to punish those who powers and functions. The powers and functions of the Supreme Court include the different kinds of jurisdictions exercised by the courts in different kinds of cases. Original jurisdiction. The Supreme Court has original jurisdiction over cases which originate in the Supreme Court only and cannot be heard in any other court, such as cases that require an interpretation of the Constitution, disputes between the Union government and the government of one or more states, disputes between two states, disputes regarding violation of fundamental rights. Appellate jurisdiction. The Supreme Court hears appeals against the judgments given by the High Courts in both civil and criminal cases.